Hi, my name is Ross McMorrow and today I'm going to talk about our closed loop temperature control rig. We're on our remote PC, so now I'll just navigate to our program. So if I go My Computer, D Drive, Control Labs, Temperature Control, and Temp PID Control. So I'll just double click and straight away our program opens up. Okay, it takes a minute to initialize, but here we are. This may be familiar. We have our standardized front panel for all control system labs. First thing, I'll adjust the set point temperature. Say if we want a set point temperature of 41, and our P, I, and D values, we have a preset default values. So we can just run it at this and see what the system does. So I'll just go Start. Straight away our values start to change. What we have here in blue is our control voltage, in red is our output temperature, in green is our input temperature, and the pink is our set point. As you can see, our red output temperature is hovering in and around the pink set point temperature. The blue line, which is our control voltage, is adjusting along with our current in our real rig. Okay, once we have a suitable graph recorded, we can stop the system and allow the temperature to drop below 35 degrees. Once stopped, we can copy data into a Word document. And on Analyze tab, we can adjust the scale to whatever we want, say 70, and we'll go 12. Okay, once we're happy with our graph, we can right click, export simplified image, and click export. Now in our Word document we can import this image. Okay, now we've obtained two graphs. We can actually record our P, I, and D values and try it again with a more realistic value which we have calculated. I'll just clear the system and run it again. Okay, so I'll just close that and then open up again. Right, we'll give this a value of say 5, and we'll give an extra 1.1. Okay, again we'll bring up our value to say 29.1 and start. As you can see, in this system our control voltage is drastically changed depending on our P, I, and D values. Okay, once we're happy with a large enough graph, we can stop the system and allow the temperature to drop below 35 degrees. I'll just end lab, and from our data we can copy and paste into our Word document. Again, on our Analyze tab, we can adjust our values. And export. As you can see from our different P, I and D values, we are getting drastically different graphs. It will be up to the student to write a report on this and come up with their own P, I and D values. Okay, thank you for listening.